Hi, welcome to online session of RJP Infotech. I am Prem Sundar Chakravarti and we are going to learn basic of switching in this episode. Let's start. For communication between two PC, say PC-A and PC-B, just use a crossover cable. But if you want communication between multiple PCs, then you need a switch. So, what is a switch and why do we need a switch? Switch is a layer 2 device that connects multiple PCs in a LAN using MAC address of connected PCs in the MAC address table. Fine. Then, how does a switch operate? There are three basic functions of a switch: address learning, forward and filtering, and loop avoidance. So let's start with address learning and forward filtering process. Firstly, switch needs to update each connected PC MAC address in the MAC address table. So when the connected PC sends any frame for the first time, the switch reads the source address and update against the receive port number dynamically. This automatic process of updating the MAC address table is known as address learning process. In this way, the switch learn all MAC addresses of the connected PCs against the respective port number. Now, if switch receives a frame from any PC, it looks up the MAC address table and forward to the right destination port. The process of sending a frame via the destination port to the intended PC is known as forwarding process. The switch will not forward this frame to any other port except the destination port. This process is known as filtering process. This process of sending the frame to the destination port and filtering in all other ports is known as forward and filtering process. Now let's understand this concept with example. Say PCD wants to communicate with PCB for the first time. PCD uses ARP frame and get destination MAC address. Now PCD sends the data frame to PCB with source and destination MAC address details in the frame header. Switch receives that frame in port number FA0/4, refers MAC address table and forwards via destination port FA0/2. This is switch forwarding process. Switch does not forward the frame destined for port number FA0/2 to any other port. This is switch filtering process. Let's briefly discuss a physical Cisco switch. As you can see in this diagram, it is a Cisco 2960 model switch with 24 fast Ethernet port and 2 gigabit Ethernet ports. All these ports are used to connect LAN devices. You can also see there is a console port and an AC power socket in the rear of this switch. Console port used to connect rollover cable for direct management from a PC, and AC power socket is used to connect power adapter. Hope this session is useful for you. Thanks for watching.